राइस लेफ्ट सो थोड़ा सा पैन में ऑयल डालिए, देन उसमें मैंने पीनट्स डाले, जस्ट लेट इट रोस्ट, कोरिएंडर लीव्स डाली, लेट इट रोस्ट, फिर मैगी का ये डाल के देन लेट इट रोस्ट एंड देन आई एडेड वाटर. सो अभी ये थोड़ा सा हो जाने दो, देन वी विल मेक दिस plus the maggi masala and our rice would be ready. This is a new maggi recipe, so I hope it's going to be best. We'll share once it's done. Till then, just wait. Just mixing it well. Add the maggi masala and so it's turned yellow. Once it's done, we'll add it rice in it. Okay. Added the yellow rice and अब उसे अच्छे से मिक्स कर देंगे. Then it's ready to serve. This is done. Today's lunch is ready. First I'm gonna have a banana, then I will have this rice. I hope you will also love it and just try it. Okay, thank you. Rice is really tasting nice. I'm just loving it. You just surely try it. Okay, whenever you have this combination of rice at your home, just try it. आपको ज़रूर पसंद आएगा. I'm sure about it. We'll meet next time with other recipes. Till then, thank you and pranam.